Hey, good morning, guys. It's Lisa Ely with Growing Enthusiasm. Look at this. I just wanted to share this great thing with you guys. My friend Stephanie brought this over to me, and it's a seed wreath. Look at this. What a fun, amazing gift. I absolutely loved getting it, and I actually can't wait to choose the seeds that we're going to plant in the garden this week. But this is such a great idea. I wanted to share it with you guys. I didn't make it, but all she did was get a bunch of seed packs, put it on a little metal wreath maker, and then accessorized it with some gloves, a ribbon, and a couple tools. Look at that, just glued right on. I absolutely love this. I get asked all the time by you guys, what should I give as a garden gift? What about teacher appreciation? This is it. This will make anyone very happy. So thank you, Stephanie, for my amazing seed wreath. And you guys, I hope this inspires you. Just a quick, fun idea. I'll talk to you later. I'll see you soon. Hope your garden's going great.